I'm James, CEO of Classic Sportscar Centre. We've been supplying classic cars globally now for 34 years, and we're delighted to be here at Goodwood Festival of Speed exhibiting some of our stock. We have a very special guest joining us today, Nigel Mansell. This is like one of my favourites. I mean, just
it's nice
pure quality.
Yeah. So who does all the bodywork?
So we do our own. We do full restoration at our facility in Yorkshire as well as car sales.
Yeah.
We've got body shop, workshop, trim shop, so about 40 staff in total.
That was my car. Little minivan.
Who was the best team principal you ever worked with?
Colin Chapman by far. He was just incredible, and he ended up being like a father to me as well. He's giving me this one.
Well, I can always lend you one when you're in the UK. I'm quite happy with that.
That's a possibility.
We're a family-run business essentially. We've got some incredible clients that have been dealing with us for years and years.
This is one of my favourite cars that ever existed.
Huge fan of Classic Sports Car. The first car I bought from you was the Mustang.
Yeah.
Mustang Fastback years ago.
James and the team did a full inspection on the car. They went over the whole thing. Literally, there was every nut, bolt and washer to make sure the car was all right.
When I first saw the car, there were a few imperfections on it. And I said, can you please take care of this one, that one before I get it? A month later, the car was delivered. Different car, gleaming. It was absolutely fabulous.
To this day, we still got the car. My dad promises me that he's going to give it to me my wedding present, even though I got married 2 years ago, and I've still not really seen it, but yeah, I mean, it's still there, so yeah, it's going to be part of our family history, I hope.
There must be up to nearly 10 cars from James.
There must be at least 10. I mean, if you include that, it's got to be 11.
We certainly want to deliver the best product we can. It's so hard with classic cars. There's always going to be a car that breaks down, there's going to be a car that goes wrong, and sometimes how you're tested as a business is what you do when there is a problem. You know, we'll travel the length of the country, pick a car up, repair it and bring it back. You know, we're one of the few dealerships dealing in the volume of classic cars we do that offer a warranty. We fully prepare all our cars in our workshop. They're delivered in an enclosed transporter. So we really push that customer experience.
My most recent purchase, I bought the Aston Martin DBS. When I first saw the car, it was in pretty good shape, except for the interior. The interior was the letdown, and I said, what can you do about that? And James said, well, you know, we could probably do that. What color would you choose? What do you want to go with? And Joe has done an absolutely fantastic job on this. I mean, the car now looks like a dream. Smells like a dream, drives like a dream. I couldn't ask for more.
Goodwood's fantastic for Classic Sportscar Centre. You know, it's a great opportunity to almost fly the flag in the south of England. You know, we sell cars all over the world. Just last month, 2 to the US. But getting to events like this where you can actually interact with your clients and you don't see up at the showroom, it's fantastic.
As an official FAA steward, he had me off. Thank you, everybody. I hope you really enjoy the rest of the weekend.